Hello and welcome to Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today is day 7 of my Christmas in July series, and I am going to be using these cute little wooden houses that I picked up from Dollarama. Here I have a selection of chalk paints in some heritage colors, as well as one acrylic craft paint in off-white. So I first took all the wood pieces and I put them all together. That way here I knew what way the pieces faced out and then in. Once I had the configuration figured out for my houses, I then started to give all the pieces a coat of paint. I just gave each piece one coat of the paint, and I didn't bother to paint the insides as you're not going to be seeing that part. So I thought it would be fun just to mix my colors up for each house, just like they did back in like heritage times. And so I am just adding a bit of a different color here on the fencing. I thought another neat thing would be to add some glitter paint if you choose to. Now I'm just taking my glue gun and I am gluing the pieces together. This way here they can stay stable as they are quite wobbly just on their own. I want to say a big thank you to those who've been a part of my community for a while. And if you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to become a part of my community by tapping on the subscribe button as well as the bell to keep up to date with everything I have to share. Once you have your houses all put together, then you could start to embellish. So I have some faux snow and I'm just using my hot glue gun and then placing some of that faux snow into the hot glue. Please be careful. I don't want you to burn your fingers while doing this. Now I'm just going in and adding this faux garland to the peak of the roof. I am going to use my hot glue gun to attach it. You can dress these houses up any style. You could do shabby chic or very rustic look. I'm just keeping my pieces nice and simple. So I'm going to just continue to add snow where I thought that it would look nice and little bits of garland. Again, this is totally optional, and I will be showing you a few other looks that I have come up with on the other houses. Here I have all my house pieces painted, and here is another house where I'm just using some leaf garland that I had in my stash, and I just like the gardeny look of this one as well. And like I said, you can embellish these houses any way you see fit. And here are all my little houses decorated. I added some mini trees, and this particular house I actually didn't go with. I ended up painting it out white, and I just love the way these all look. And here is the little village all put together. This is the white house that I decided to go with. I love the way that one looks. I would love to know how you would decorate these houses. If you have stayed here till the end, I have a surprise for you. I am giving away a set of these wooden houses. I need you to Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment below what your favorite project was during my series. And as a bonus, I would love for you to go over and subscribe to my new channel, Creative by Nature, Art and Life. Come back, let me know you subscribe. I will announce the winner on July 25th, and I will announce that over on my community tab, so stay tuned. I want to thank you all so much for joining me during this series. Stay tuned for next week. I will have another Christmas in July video for you all, as well as one more at the end of the month. And I'm so excited because I am collaborating with somebody special. So stay tuned. Thank you all for being here. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.